Ethan, what are we doing today?
We're in our last episode, we found out there's a part missing on this bike. Suzuki calls this a cleanup tube. Most people call it a baffle.
Yeah?
Now I'm gonna show you how to put it in. Pop that off. That way.
Make sure the screws are down. The screw holes. You know what? We're going to leave that in there. Alright, look, that's the screw holes. Make sure they're pointing down. See? Just like that. Alright.
Now time for the screws.
No, this guy goes.
Yep.
That dude has to go back on there. You know what? Hold your bike. I'm going to need... Yeah, make sure it doesn't roll. It's trying to roll.
The front brakes are going to be put on. Let's try to roll. Nothing happens.
Almost got it. We should have turned on our light. You know what? Hold on. We'll be right back. Ethan, what did we just do?
We tighten these bolts up right here.
Well, what did I help you do right here?
Put this in.
Yeah, and get it lined up right?
It's too tough for me.
Yep, it's tricky. So what's this thing do?
It quietens the baffle inside here, quiets down the bike.
Yeah. Why do you put a baffle in your bike?
Because it was missing it.
Yeah.
And it was super loud.
So why are you making your bike quieter?
So the neighbors don't think we hate them.
Sounds about right. Hey. I think you're about done. I think
Probably
you just...
am.
All right.
Is this the right way?
Yep, that's the right way.
Yeah.
I think we're about ready to take it outside and test it out and see how loud it is. All right.
Do you want to put that in the video?
Yep.